Hello friends, today I come here with a different video. In this video you will watch the 3 recreated pictures those I have created for my last project. These are composite images used for the advertising in social media. Let's start first with the group picture of the products. In this image first I have created the shapes for the platform where the product will be placed. This picture I have already shoot for this project. After creating shapes, I have created the shadows by using blending options. I created each layer for each effect. So this image have the bundle of the layers. I have also used gradient adjustment layers to give lighting effect on each platform to give 3D effect so it looks natural. After that I revealing the layers of the products those I have masked and cut out from the original image. Also created shadows for each product. For main keys responsible to make this picture are creating shapes, shadows, gradient and masking. Now come to the second image. In this image I have created more than 15 layers to create this picture. I have recreated this picture according to this image. The way is the same that I have opted in the first picture, but here is only one product, so I need only one cutout. This is a final image. Now come to the last picture. This image is different from the first two. Here I am not creating shapes. I am using two images for this picture on the red background. First I have shoot the top of the brush and the second image I shoot from the bottom because I need straight brush in the picture. So I composite both bottom and top image with the masking. After that I have cut out the brush to use in the desired backgrounds. After that, I have created solid background and then I have created effects on that background. Also added product logo of the swan on the background. Creating lines to show light rays and also use reflections on the tabletop. Enhance the highlights and also added one brush more according to the composition. This is a final image that was approved by the client. So these three images I have created, those approved and liked by my client. I will be happy if you will leave the feedback on it. I brought the photography fundamentals in these advertising photos. If you like it or you want to see more recreated images in this series, kindly comment and also participate the poll in my community page. So I will bring those videos that you like to watch. That's all for the today. I will come again with the new tutorial. Thanks for the watching.